Welcome back. Today we're on the Mini. We're going to change the steering rack. There's a load of play in the inner joints and in the rack itself, so see if we can get it done without pulling the subframe out. So yesterday I changed the steering rack, and what else did I do? I replaced the rocker cover gasket because there was a little bit of an oil leak at the back edge. I have got other oil leaks that I'm going to try and get to next weekend, but so far I've done the steering rack. The next job I want to do is to change the exhaust manifold gasket because that's blowing a bit. So I might show you the steering rack that's come off the car. I've pulled the boots off. Look at the state of that. It's not so bad that side, but this side, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. That was well past its best. It was the original one that came with the car. It was never great. I didn't realise there was quite so much water in it, but yeah, I think I might see if I can unscrew the ends and see if we can do something with this, get this apart. I'm not going to hold high hopes for it, but we can only try, can't we? Probably a bad idea, I would say. So there is the rack. You can see the basics of your steering rack. That pinion gear running up and down there, sliding that backwards and forwards. We've got the pinion, the rack, the inner track rod, or drumstick as some call them, and the housing. So in this housing, I dare say there's little bearings dropping out all over the place. But you can see there's like a bush in there. I guess that's what's causing the up and down free play in the rack. I think this was severely lacking oil. Certainly interesting, isn't it? Well overdue change that was. So I've just got back from a quick test drive in the Mini with its new steering rack, and what else did I do? Oh, the exhaust manifold gasket, and I tell you what, that steering rack was way overdue. Terrible. Should have changed that. I bought a new car, so I'm going to show you that.